Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is John Imperial. I'm an architect in Anchorage, Alaska, and today we are going to unbox the AirPods Max. So this came in the mail yesterday and I tried my best not to open it because I wanted to do this initial impression / unboxing for you guys. So this is not going to be an in-depth video. So yeah, we're going to open this, check it out, and give you guys my initial impressions. So let's do this. Finally. Oh snap. So right off the bat, the band is kind of as expected. It has this rubbery finish. This mesh is actually kind of stronger than I expected. It feels that it's gonna hold up better than I thought. That's the piece that I'm mostly scared about. This case is funky. We already know that. Let's just put that out there. So you're supposed to kind of carry it this way. I feel kind of scared holding the mesh, but I think it's gonna be stronger than most people think. That's my hunch, but nobody really knows until over time. Well, actually, let's look at what's included here. AirPods Max, instructions, no sticker. It has a USB-C to a lightning connector. Yeah, actually I ordered the lightning jack too, so we'll open this. Let's open this up. Yeah, so it feels like Apple is using pretty much the same materials that we've expected and we have seen in their other products. This leather is actually reminding me a little bit of what's in the Magic Keyboard. I know a lot of people are not too pleased with the Magic Keyboard and how it picks up dirt. I'm not too worried about that. The interior has this felt material similar to the Magic Keyboard again. So we'll see what happens in the long run if it holds up. This is your AirPods Max. How do you guys like that? Let me just say one thing and then we're not gonna talk about the smart case again. I share the sentiment of almost every person in the world. So I don't know what Apple is trying to do, but this does not look like a well thought out solution to me. That's all I'm saying. All right, let's keep going. Whoa. Man, this is nice. So this is it. This is the AirPods Max, and as soon as you pull it out of that smart case, this just kind of shines and like, yeah, you know you're feeling and holding something that is different, or you're seeing something that's different. And as you probably know, most headphones out there are made out of plastic. I really like how they look. Man, like this is gorgeous, but I'm scared over time it's gonna get scratched up and then I'm gonna get annoyed. I know most people probably are worried about the same thing, so I don't know, do you get like a AirPods Max screen, or not screen, there's no screen, but like ear cup protector? I don't know, and I hope that it's a little bit more scratch resistant. Let me just say something. I did not want to order this AirPods Max because I know that $550 is a lot of money, right? But at the same time, you're so curious to test it out because it's a $550 headphone. And if I know anything about Apple products is they make their products so convenient, especially if you're in the ecosystem, which I am. That's my hope, and so that's why I'm so curious to test this out. As you guys probably know already, these are heavier than like your QC35s or XM4s, and they don't feel that heavy in my head, but when I was holding it, I can tell that it's heavier. I'm trying to see it. It's being pressed a little too much in my head, so let me adjust it. So initially when I put this on, I felt pressure on the top of my head because of the mesh, but After I extended the legs out, it did feel so much better. It is a lot more comfortable. And the way it sits on my ears, it's not pressing on too much, which is a big deal, of course. You don't want something pressing onto your face. And right now, since I adjusted it properly, the top feels nice. Yeah, I definitely don't feel pressure on the top of my head. This button right here helps you cycle through transparency mode and noise canceling. And of course, this is used for volume control. I like that Apple used physical buttons on this one. I feel like that's always just more reliable than touch. But we'll see. I want to test out what the XM4s have. And I know they're one of the best in class right now. So I want to see that. And it's not weird at all. I think it's pretty natural to press on right here and also adjust the volume. I don't mind that. I actually prefer that a little bit than maybe a touch control. But again, I haven't tested the XM4s, so we'll see how that goes. It's just that touch controls sometimes are not as reliable as buttons because you know exactly what you're doing when you press a button or touch it. So press once is play or pause, press twice is skip track, and then 3 times is previous track. So that's pretty handy and not bad, but yeah, you kind of have to tilt it this way. I wish, is there a way to actually flip this around and have this on my left side? Because I would prefer to have the crown closer to my face and then adjust the volume that way, because it's closer. I don't have to like go back and feel a strain in my arm right here, but not a big deal. I had the Bose QC35s, and those are the most comfortable headphones that I've ever owned, and I think this is maybe slightly below that. I know at least for a fact that it's not as comfortable as that one. Or maybe I'm just getting used to it because the material on the ear cups are different, the band is different, so you know, maybe there's some trade-off there. You just want to listen to it. Okay, I'm gonna turn on sound canceling, noise canceling. Okay, so this kind of hugs my neck like a turtleneck. Yeah, if you're not wanting to use a smart case and you just want to wear this on around your neck, say you're traveling, you're at the airport or whatnot, it's not too bad. But yeah, it's definitely more like pinched. It's like it hugs you a little tighter, but that also helps with the seal around your ear. You know, I don't wear any glasses, don't have long hair, so I think and assume that would help with that. I'm gonna ask my wife to test it out and see if she feels like it's sealed. Right now, I want to test out the stereo and the spatial audio. Let's see what happens there. Whoa! This is crazy. Man, that is insane. Okay, so when you have the stereo audio, it feels like the sound is just coming like right here, like directly into your ear, one source. This is kind of like how we're used to listening to music. But when it comes to the spatial audio, it feels like you're sitting in this one spot in the middle of all the musicians, and that is super crazy. I want to see how that works when it comes to like movies and stuff. That's gonna be like more immersive, and that's just, yeah, no, that's insane. That's good. I don't think I've tested it on my AirPods Pro actually, so this is awesome. Now let's open this lightning to audio jack just to see how it feels, or see the length of it. 1.2, oh, meters, nice. Oh, okay. It's thinner than the lightning cable that comes with your phone. I had to think if it actually comes with your phone. I don't have a device that uses the 3.5 millimeter jack. Oh, my computer. Yeah, I guess it's long enough. That's mainly what I want to show. Of course, it's gonna work. I wish it came with the AirPods Max. Come on, Apple. Think about us for just a second. What would we want? Just give us that. Yeah. So overall, I think they're pretty comfortable. Not quite as comfortable as the QC35s though. But then again, I haven't worn headphones for a year. I sold my QC35s last Christmas. Maybe it's just me like not being used to it. But yeah, I'll be curious to compare to the XM4s though. Yeah, they're not like mind-blowing when it comes to comfort. They're comfortable though. And when it comes to sound, man, that sound is so good. There's no distortion when you crank up the volume. Yeah, I'm overall pleased. My expectations were pretty low on this. I wasn't expecting this to be crazy mind-blowing. But then again, if you're paying $550 for headphones, you probably have different expectations, right? You want it to be worth $550. And right now, I'm not sure I can say that yet until I actually test it, use it more, and then compare to the XM4s, and hopefully I can give you guys a good comparison video when it comes to that, because like I said, I'm not an audiophile, but you know, we're going to be talking about real life applications and concerns that most people will probably have. So that's what we're going to focus on, and of course we're going to talk about the sound too, and just what I can perceive as a casual listener. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.